Guys, understand this, that if you want to develop yourself, a little dog in the background, say hi, Daxter. He's got no manners, you'll have to excuse him. No, but really understand this, that if you want that personal development in your life, sometimes it's as simple as just going outside. If you want to improve your morale, your immune system, just go outside. There's actually a study that was done, and I'll keep this video short, but there was actually a study done to where just going outside and seeing running water for 20 minutes will boost your morale by a drastic number, 60%, 80% in some cases. So going outside, and I'm not talking doing, you know, you don't have to walk a mountain. I actually done with an hour-long bike ride, and in this bike ride I really had a blast, consuming water. I'm also right now in a deep fast, which means I haven't eaten for at least 12 hours or longer, and my body has really cleaned itself up. 8 or 9 hours of sleep last night. My body was fasting. I'm not saying you have to really clean your body up overnight. These can be in small increments, but you know, when you look at people with depression, like I said, I'll keep this video short, but when you look at people with depression, they usually don't clean. Their house is usually, you know, kind of somewhat filthy. Trash laying around, dishes not washed, probably dirty clothes. It probably smells in there. There's a link between people having depression and people having a filthy house. And so I think the first step is that's not the problem. The problem is your mental. The problem is you. You know what I mean? The problem, now not you necessarily per se, maybe you have problems, maybe you don't. But what I'm saying is the problem isn't that just, you know, your house is dirty, you need to clean that up. Maybe some relationships in your life, maybe you need to clean that up. But really taking the cleaning into yourself is what's important here. So the house and those relationships and the other problems in your life, those aren't problems necessarily per se, but those are symptoms of the fundamental problem, which is your mental, which is maybe more important, but also your physical health, which is very important as well. So clean those up. You'll find that you can clean other areas in your life up. So I'm back from my walk. I just want to say real quick, I appreciate you guys. I've got sort of like another part to this video, almost like a part 2, but it's like its own separate part. Understand that I want to keep light edits on these videos because I don't want that dopamine like fix to really like hit you, because I care about you guys. I want you to just sit there and enjoy the video, but hopefully you will get something from the video. You know what they say, do the hard work when you don't feel like it. So have a good one. Thanks, guys.